So good morning, everybody. I think it's an awesome opportunity for us to congratulate the outgoing team. Do you think they've done an awesome job?
Awesome. Congratulations.
So please unmute yourself and say whatsoever you want to say. So we already know your name. We already know the business that you are in. So if you could please speak your heart out, take around 2 to 3 minutes each. That will be a tribute to them. And if you think you got some bricks and bats, please go ahead. Haji.
I would like to put my words in this way is that I have just been associated with the Inner Circle from the last, I feel, barely 2.5 months.
Awesome.
Less than 2 months. But what I see here is a coherent team which is committed for their objective, a common goal. That's what I see in the team. The leadership team, like right from Mithilesh Jha, has been very active on the app, social app, have been posting us and then coordinating at each and every level that each one does his bit to go forward. I would also like to thank Rajesh Pandit ji, जिन्होंने भी उतना ही efforts लिया जो मैं देख सकता था कि regular basis पे follow. What I've seen is the team has a common mission that Atul ji had brought forward. So each and everyone is contributing to the common goal or common mission. It is no more his alone mission. It has become the mission of each one of us. So that's what I see is the team spirit is seen between each one. What I see is that most of them who really care, who really are into networking are also present on the Tuesday evening meetings. So that makes this meeting more interesting. What I have been gaining out of all these meetings is the trust between people. Today, although I have not seen each one of you in Delhi or in any other location where you are, or even Virendra at Pune, I have not met them. But I'm confident that the moment I go, once this lockdown completely opens and 2021, maybe after July, August or so, and we move towards Delhi or anywhere, we'll have all these people with you, waiting for you, and to be with you, to help you to grow in your business. So although we are not there virtually present in any of these locations, but we see that each one has been taking enough steps to help you to grow your business in that direction. That is something clearly seen in this team. That's what I see. What I find, Atulji, is that two things which I would like to say. One is about your e-growth app, which I want to bring it to this common platform and tell. He is the creator of that e-growth app. Means he has been the brainchild that he wanted the e-growth app for e-growth. Okay, he created a beautiful creation, which he thought was an essential. They will need this. The people will need this. Okay, and this will be a problem-solving product. ऐसा उन्होंने सोचा. So it is the egg and the chicken story. So he felt always that लोगों को जरूरत है, ये उनका burning problem है, मैं ये product लेके आऊंगा और उनका burning problem खत्म हो जाएगी. But unfortunately, what I've been seeing is that people are not effectively utilizing e-growth in the way it should have been done, except barring hardly one or two people whom I see regularly. Suppose he said me the other day that there are more than 10-15 WhatsApp groups which we created. We have migrated them to the e-growth app, and you can find all those places. So you can go and post everywhere. So I go and post judiciously. Before I did not know how to do it. Now I'm doing it. But एक चीज मुझे clearly दिख रहा है कि this is something that people have not still understood the product. Okay, so there has to be some mechanism where the people understand what is this product, how it has to be utilized, how it is going to be beneficial to them, how it is going to ease their lives, what is that problem it is going to solve which they could not solve on WhatsApp. And उनको अगर जब तक वो values नहीं दिखेंगे उसमें, तब तक वो ये platform को use नहीं करेंगे. तो मेरा जो कहना है, creating the product does not solve the problem, but it has made people, now you can see this very clearly, that people have again the WhatsApp group has been created and inner circle ke group bana hai. Although it is admin only, which means no one can post anything. It's just a broadcast list. You don't even have to create that group. You can just create a broadcast and put whatever you want, because no one can put their feedback or anything on that WhatsApp group. So that creating that WhatsApp group with admin only is not even required. Just create a broadcast and send everyone what you want on that personal wall. So you don't have to create even a group which has got admin rights. So it is better that we don't have that group. We have only a broadcast list, send it to everyone. So that's my feed forward, not feedback. Because feedback is something which is going to the past. Feed forward is something where we can improve. I will always tell feed forward is create such kind of innovative things that you create a session only dedicated to e-growth. How is it useful to people's life and what can it do in people's life and how it can change their perception about it and how it can become user friendly.
Fine. Hariyar, we need to listen to everybody, so we can't continue so long. Thank you for your feedback. And so Inner Circle, the group that we've created, we've just revived the previous group. That is why it was admin only. It will not be admin only anymore. Okay. So I've already changed the settings. You can please post on the group. Okay. And unless we do something, we don't really know whether it will work or not. We've completed 1 year in Inner Circle. 1 year ago, it started as only the e-growth Gurgaon group. We used to meet physically. From there, we've gone a couple of miles. So thank you. Let's hear from others as well. And beyond this, you please keep on sharing on WhatsApp group, or we will have one-on-one conversation as well.
One-to-one.
And, yeah. And my and my request is, please share whatsoever you want for. So now the eGrowth app, that was something personally for me. The Inner Circle leadership team did not have much to do with that. All right. So that you can please give to me. Today, let us give these next 15 minutes to this team which has brought Inner Circle to where it is right now. Okay, please, others. Thank you, Hariyar Sharma ji.
Yes. So I would like to take 2 minutes and
yeah, please. Yeah.
First of all, good morning, everyone, and good morning, Mithilesh ji and Rajesh Pandit ji.
Good morning.
I was very keen to see the entire team, in fact, today, because being a last meeting for the last, team, I was very keen to congratulate each one of you and say it was a great and fantastic job which you have done. The kind of synergy which you both have developed in the eGrowth and Inner Circle team was something which I have not thought it will happen so soon. It only happened in I think next 3 months. So it's really fantastic. So I was continuously following up with Atul ji, and I think Mithilesh ji hamari bhi baat hui thi that this is something which we need to change, and probably I was only saying that we need to change or Atul ji need to change, and you took an initiative and made it happen. That's really something which I really want to appreciate. So congratulate both of you. Fantastic and excellent job which I feel you guys have done. Super.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
Yeah, morning.
And I think Virendra has summed it up. That's exactly how I felt. I felt that there was a new kind of energy. There was more participation. I was actually feeling sorry that I had to miss so many meetings. But I did tell Atul at one point, look here, this team is doing such a great job that you should extend their tenure so that this dynamism is deepened and it lasts for a longer time. But he has his logic and I completely agree with it. Who knows, the next one might even take it to a higher level. But congratulations to you, Mithilesh and Rajesh. You've really brought this to a different level. So much so that one wants to be there. That's why even though I woke up at 7:30 today, my thing was, but I said nothing doing. I'm not going to miss this meeting. So great, guys. Thank you for whatever you've done. And I'm sure you'll keep doing it. I'm sure you'll support the new team also. to keep the flag flying high and keep the flame burning. Thank you.
Thank
And
you,
have a
sir.
wonderful
Thank you.
Sir.
everybody.
So I will
Good
also
morning, everybody. Oh, somebody else? I was the
Puneet
last.
sir,
I was the last entrant, so I thought I will be speaking last. I wanted to hear what is. Good morning, everybody, and my really sincere, heartfelt congratulations to both Rajesh ji and Mithlesh ji. This is young man's world, and you both have done really what it was expected. And I want to thank Atul ji also that during this period, Atul ji got little breathing time, and he has brought new flavors to the like WhatsApp, this group changing and app bringing, everything he has done. So the moment we had that feeling that something else, and both of you, let me just tell you the kind of sincerity I have seen both of you in doing. Further, I will always tell that I had many things to contribute, but I am the one person who has contributed least. I admit it at the fag end of the year that my contribution has been least, but I had zeal, energy, everything. But still, but I am another point I can add here that throughout the years since I have joined, I have not given any opportunity to anyone to point out that Mishra has not come. No, Mishra has attended all the meetings. So I still feel the energy and enthusiasm to attend this meeting. Inner circle has reached to a different dimension, and different people have understood very clearly what it is required to be. And it is a successful model. Whatever the model at present it is there, it is a successful model. Don't bring many changes now. It has already, in my opinion, it has already streamlined. For one more year, you try on the same platform, same pattern. Let us see how it comes. But all the elements are there in this particular format. Let the, if, in my opinion, I request this team to continue, in my opinion, because they have done wonderful job. And it is not that only one session is enough to complete all reforms. There can be always a repeat session. This team is doing very good. If we keep doing more and more research, at times with details, and once detailed, again bringing back, it will be difficult. So let this team continue. It is my opinion. Of course, every member is there, and they should vote for it. And we should develop habit of contributing to these two people, which I feel that many of our members had many other roles, but we have not done the kind of contribution we should have done. We have not done it. We had slots, they have been requesting, but they have not lagged in requesting the members to come forward for doing their role. So this is one biggest thing. They have never got even up to the last moment. They have not lost their zeal and energy.
Thank you, Mr.
Disappointments they have faced.
I completely agree with Ravinder ji. We must allow them. I request you all, they are setting some benchmarks. In another term, those benchmarks will be set, like in terms of the...
Right. Rather, it's not they, it is other team members. They were continuous there. Other team members had also been given many roles. Those roles are again required to be revamped. It is the other team members to have to think that what are the additional roles they were given. They were all add-ons, which brings beauty in the thali.
We will discuss this. थोड़े समय में इसको discuss करते हैं. Let us move on, please. Let us please move on. Thank you.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Manish ji, आप बात कर रहे थे. हाँ जी.
हाँ जी सर.
सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू मिथिलेश जी एंड राजेश पंडित जी कि इन लोगों ने काफी अच्छा से कोऑर्डिनेट आपस में किया है और इन लोग के सारे मीटिंग में एटलीस्ट 12-15 तो पार्टिसिपेट हर बार हुए हैं, तो मतलब 12-15 20-25 भी हुए, मतलब हमेशा बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। तो एवरीथिंग बहुत अच्छा से इन लोगों ने मैनेज किया है और डेफिनेटली इट इज द रोल मॉडल। मेरा सिर्फ एक सजेशन क्या होगा कि जब हम इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं, जब हम नेक्स्ट वीक से करेंगे, तो एटलीस्ट वी हैव टू स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन फॉर्मेट एंड टाइम। लाइक फॉर्मेट में थोड़ा सा कोई आगे पीछे हो जाए, लेकिन टाइम कि 1 मिनट हो जाए तो वी हैव टू स्टॉप। अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि दूसरे मेंबर को लगता है यार मैंने तो 45 सेकंड में ही छोटा सा बोल दिया कि कोई 2 मिनट ले रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा ना डिफरेंट फीलिंग आता। तो वी हैव टू स्टॉप। दिस इज माय सजेशन एंड थैंक्स।
Thank you.
Great. Yogesh ji.
Yeah, good morning everybody. मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि definitely I agree with all of you that this group has really gone from one step to another, and we are on the path. We are going where we are required to go, and kudos to मिथिलेश जी and राजेश जी. आप लोग के बदौलत ही हुआ ये। मैं तो एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा था जो वो भी थोड़ा बहुत हिल गया ज्यादा कुछ नहीं किया, बट yes, kudos to both of you, and I fully agree with Mishra ji also, because Atul got his breathing place to do other things, and where I'm struggling at the moment, and that is the reason why I have not contributed much, क्यों अपने challenges में घुसा हुआ था मैं। So the thing is कि मेरे हिसाब से ये टीम को 3 महीना दिया जाए और we can bring in new what you call systems, other systems. जो अभी create session है, that is a USP that should be there, and there should be something created for the breakout rooms when you speak to the when you go out and speak to the visitors. जो हमारे breakout room में है, वो मेरी एक suggestion है that everybody given a time and discuss something. तो उसमें क्या हो जाता है कि you get connected more. नहीं तो we keep on discussing a lot of other things. तो उसमें there should be some time slot also. मेरा suggestion एक ही रहेगा. And rest everything is good, I think, and very well managed. What I can see is Atul has energy, the drive, which he brought into it. Mithilesh ji and Rajesh ji have brought the warmth into it. The क्या ना flavor ले आए हैं, और मेरा मानना है कि we are on track. Another 3 months should be given to Mithilesh ji and Rajesh ji, and then we should have a new management committee as per me. And this one is very good. We should not have the WhatsApp group. We should be on the app, because it gives you a distinct edge amongst everybody. App means it's a different ball game. थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा for people to come to the app, and but we need to bring that. वो time लगेगा. But app होने से it is a different edge देता है वो.
Got it.
So I will agree.
Thank you, Yogesh ji.
Yeah.
Thank you, Yogesh ji.
Yeah.
Shri Vidya ji, our clear cognizant.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बिलेटेड वन। कल तो मैंने विश किया था, केक भी भेजा, आपको मिला?
मैं देख लेता हूँ।
आपको केक नहीं मिला मेरा? इतने क्यूटली व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा था।
हाँ, व्हाट्सएप पे मिला था। व्हाट्सएप पे मिला था। मैं एक्चुअली फ्लेवर नहीं मेरे को ध्यान था कौन सा था ना।
चॉकलेट था।
Right. So let us come back to the topic. So today we're completing this is the last meeting with the current team. All right. So let us please share our heart out, how we want to congratulate, what are the issues that we see right now. Today it's not about me. My day was yesterday.
I have been getting their messages. एक दो बार आए भी थे कि join the session and everything. They're doing good. Why do you want to change? Let it be. It's good. They're doing well, and I feel it's a good initiative. Everything is happening good, and the motivation is also going good. The inner circle is growing actually. I've been seeing that. Last week I was there. I think uske pehle I was not there. But then I guess it's a good team, and well, let's wait for some more months, na? Like jo bhi quota aapka 4 months hai, 3 months hai. Let's wait for some more time. Good, doing a great job. I mean, that's what I feel. Because मुझे वापस लेकर आए ना.
Thank you. I think that's an awesome compliment. हाँ जी, सत्या जी.
थैंक यू अतुल जी. मेरी तरफ से भी आपको हैप्पी बर्थडे बिलेटेड, एंड आप सभी को मैरी क्रिसमस. और एक्चुअली जो योगेश जी ने बोला, मैं उस सारे को इको करना चाहता हूँ. इको बोलो या डिटो बोलो या डुप्लीकेट बोलो, वो तो है ही. उसके अलावा जैसे आप सभी को पता ही है, एक सेइंग है, डोंट ट्राई टू रिपेयर समथिंग इफ इट इज नॉट ब्रोकन. तो जो अभी स्टेटस को है एक्चुअली, और आजकल कोविड में स्टेटस को इज सपोज टू बी द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू. सो वो तो है ही, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम इनको एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं. जो ये एग्जिस्टिंग कमेटी है, extension to that is not enough. Actually, we all have to appeal to them, request them actually to continue doing what they have been doing, which is really a great thing. And उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है कि change is required, change is warranted. It is not the situation. And according to me, अगर चेंज जब भी करेंगे, चाहे 3 महीने बाद या 6 महीने बाद, वी शुड हैव वॉलंटियर्स हु कैन डू बेटर देन देम. देन ओनली चेंज शुड बी टॉक्ड अबाउट एक्चुअली. बट एवरीथिंग बॉइल डाउन टू द एग्जिस्टिंग टीम टू एक्सेप्टिंग आवर अपील, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ए इजी job. For us it looks it is very easy because they are doing, we are not doing, we are the beneficiary of that actually. तो मुझे पता है इन लोगों को काफी टाइम देना पड़ता है, which at least like I'm not there, means I cannot devote that much time even if I would like to be. So the great things are being done, as all of you know. It is working very well. It is not broken. Change is not warranted. So we should appeal to the current team, especially Mithilesh ji and other partner in the group, in the executive team, to continue. And I personally feel no change of style is also required. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा है. That is what they say, all is well. Thank you.
Awesome. Anybody else would like to say something?
I want to add one more
Please.
thing. The right 3 months is actually a very little time for anyone, because 3 months मतलब कितना चाहती है 12 सेशन, और 12 सेशन में अगर मिरेकल्स हो रहे हैं तो मेरे ख्याल से हमने और कुछ 12, 15, 18, 20 हजार सेशन दे देने चाहिए ये अच्छे से और हो और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करें.
ये वीरेंद्र जी कह रहे हैं कि भाई ये 3 महीने और टल जाए तो अच्छा है.
नहीं. Generally in other networking platforms, Atul ji, it is generally a 24 months leadership team. Like I am currently holding the charge at Saturday Club Global Trust. It is a 24 months leadership team. So in 2 years, you create everything. We are given 2 years once the elected committee is in place. That's how it is. In other, like, I'm just comparing it with others.
See, now what I can see is initially अतुल जी आपने और मिथिलेश जी ने और राजेश जी ने समझ के चलते हैं कि ये इलेक्शन के थ्रू नहीं हुआ था. अभी तो इलेक्शन हो गया, अभी तो इलेक्शन से उनको वो दिया जा रहा है, तो आप क्यों चिंता कर रहे हो?
मैं तो चिंता कर ही नहीं रहा.
हाँ, so
now
ख्याल से
okay, so let me share something. So thank you, Virendra. Thanks each one of you for speaking your heart out. So after 3 months, today I am personally very, very, very happy that the step which was taken, that has been accepted very well. All right. Second, as a community, we have become much more cohesive. We are much more one today. And we've seen a fair amount of success. All right. So my personal acknowledgement to both, acknowledgement nahi kahunga, celebration hi hai ye, to both Mithilesh ji and Rajesh ji. One, for taking it up. See, नई टीम जो भी आएगी, they will have a reference point. Okay? The current team did not have a reference point. So that will always keep this team in a different league. अमिताभ बच्चन हमेशा कहते हैं, अमिताभ बच्चन का नाम तो सुना ही होगा आपने, वो कहते हैं कि जी राजेश खन्ना was the first superstar of India. And Amitabh Bachchan always had somebody to look up to, whom he could ape. Rajesh Khanna, incidentally Rajesh Pandit also, when he became a superstar, he did not have a reference point. He did not know how to behave. He did not know what to create. He did not know whom to take along. He did not know what was expected out of him. That is the job that you people have done. It's immaterial whether you go in for another term or not, whether this becomes a 6 months term. I promise you, 6 months later, if we have the same team, all of us will have the same emotions, or maybe better emotions. All right? I remember when we were at this juncture with Sanjeev Ahuja ji. At that time, also the same thing was said, please let us continue. And Sanjeev Ahuja ji came for the second term. That is how humans are. एक बार किसी की जफ्फी में प्यार मिलना शुरू हो जाता है तो हम उसी को कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं. So I invite both of you to please share how has the journey been for you. और आज वो किसका है क्रिएट सेशन?
हरिहर जी का.
हरिहर जी का ना, उनको हमने पूरा टाइम देना है और क्योंकि आज गेस्ट नहीं हैं तो हम उनको उनका आधा घंटा देंगे, तो आप प्लीज उस हिसाब से कर लीजिएगा. चलो हमारे पास विजय जी भी आ गए हैं, तो बिफोर आई इनवाइट यू लेट अस हियर फ्रॉम विजय जी. वेलकम. सो विजय जी, आज का सेशन है कि पिछला जो हमारी टीम है वो कंप्लीट कर रही है. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से फॉर देम? अरे चीमा साहब भी आ गए हैं, देखो कंप्लीट. आप मजाक कर रहे हो आप लोग? हाँ जी. So Vijay ji, please.
Actually, it was a really breakthrough.
Yeah.
To see that जो पहले जी आप जो कर रहे थे वो तो बढ़िया कर रहे थे, लेकिन उसमें और 4 चांद लग गए. और राजेश जी आए, मिथिलेश जी आए, और भी जो टीम आई जिसमें मैं भी था. ठीक है, मैंने परफॉर्म नहीं किया, लेकिन मैं राजेश जी की, मिथिलेश जी की, रेखा जी सबकी बात करूँ तो एक टीम वर्क से क्या होता है वो मालूम पड़ा. we got the lot of results in doing. Plus maybe मेरी बात करूँ तो मैं जो इससे सीखा कि टीम में कैसे काम किया जाए. जो आप जो बता रहे हैं ना, CEO बता रहे हैं कोलैबोरेटिव एक्सीलेंस अपॉर्चुनिटी, तो अभी मैं कुछ कोलैबोरेशन से कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ. तो ये मेरे लिए एक बड़ी बात थी, इतने साल से अकेले काम करने के बाद में हाउ टू वर्क विद द कोलैबोरेशन. So this is my take. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing from your heart, Vijay ji. चीमा साहब, अपनी ये टीम कंप्लीट कर रही है, तो प्लीज आप उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है, बहुत ही अच्छा. देखो, जो मैंने सारे इंटरव्यू देखे हैं जो अतुल जी ने कंडक्ट किए, एक तो इतने बढ़िया तरीके से एंकर ने इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट किए हैं कि सबके अंदर से दिल की बात निकाल के रख दी है. ये बेस्ट वे है कंडक्टिंग द इंटरव्यू. और मुझे जितने मेरे यूट्यूब से है वो काफी अच्छी रिस्पॉन्स आ रही है सभी की. इट्स वेरी वेरी, वी आर ग्रोइंग इट, रियली वी आर ग्रोइंग इट ग्रो.
Thank you. So, Chima sahab, it was not about me. It is about the current team. तो मिथिलेश जी, राजेश जी, इनकी टीम ने पिछला जो इनर सर्कल है उसको मैनेज किया क्वार्टर के लिए. तो इस क्वार्टर में पिछले 3 महीनों में आपने क्या तब्दीलियां देखी और उसमें आप इनको क्या कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहेंगे, कुछ गाली मारना चाहेंगे? आपकी जैसी श्रद्धा वैसे करें सर.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहेंगे, बहुत अच्छा इन्होंने इम्प्रूव किया है और ये उसी का तो रिजल्ट है, ये जो आपने इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट किया है.
थैंक यू, गॉट इट. ऑलराइट, फैंटास्टिक. सो हाँ जी, मिथिलेश जी और राजेश जी, आप आपस में डिसाइड कर लीजिए पहले कौन बोलेंगे.
राजेश जी.
हाँ जी, चलिए ठीक है. मैं so I will like to just मतलब जितनी भी so the kind of the words which all of you have said, so it was very very touchy and I felt very great about the things. So जो मेरे को पता भी नहीं था that if we have done such things. So, but then, so you were gracious enough to pass on all those words. So, so what we just did to at times, so we were, so I like to congratulate all of you for your patience. I know that in our own जो हमारे admin group है जहाँ पे हम बोलते रहते थे, and so you people always used to listen and deliver things. So at times, we were not also able to deliver. So I should not point out. We have also missed a lot of things. But then the kind of patience and the kind of an encouragement all of you have given. So that was an energy booster for our office. कभी भी जब भी meeting में आते हैं, so kind of words we hear. So next meeting के लिए ना, so एक booster मिल जाता है. So that is the great thing which has happened. And the kind, everybody, the encouragement of सब लोगों का था, so that was great. And one more thing, like 7:30 हम अब start करते हैं, and 7:35 तक 6-7 member तो आ ही जाते हैं. So that is the kind of an encouragement also. कि that ऐसा नहीं है कि हम 2 बैठे हैं वहाँ पे, nobody else is coming. 7:30, 7:45 तो पूरा मजमा लग जाता था. I remember one point of time, so we were around 16 people at around 7:40, 7:35, 7:40, and those are the kind of an encouragement, and that is how we just see that people are reciprocating whatever we are just doing, and that is so what it should be. And now for the team, see, as Atul ji has rightly pointed out, so you never know the potential. You never know the potential of the next team. So I very well know the potential of Virender ji and other members, and they can just scale it up only. So अभी तो आपने हमारा flavor ये देखा हुआ. I am sure with their involvement, so you will see a next level of e-growth. And it is all, and we are always there. So it is not like कि हमारा participation भी होगा. Now let us have this एक rotation, so that new people come, and then so things settle down. And with new and this team for 3 months, we have seen they can add on more things. क्योंकि हम शायद हो सकता है उसी style से चल रहा है. What I feel like कि वो whatever that we have brought it to a certain level, they will add on to that, and that is what is going to help the entire network. That is what is going to help the entire thing. हमारे पास अब Mr. Martin and Virender ji है. Martin will add an international flavor to it. And Virender ji के I know everyone knows the kind of potential he has and kind of synergies he has. मतलब हर किसी के साथ इनकी जो equation है, so that is one of the best. And as an he's a wonderful human. मतलब इसके लिए एक इस type के network के लिए one has to be a wonderful human also. And he has all the traits to take it to the next level.
I've got a request of you. If you can share, what have you gained personally being a leader of this community?
Yes, so it has, so that is very important. That is very important for everybody else to know. So it has helped us to take new roles. Like this is something which we had never done before. Like एक तो है कि like with every responsibility जो आपकी personal growth है, so it takes certain notches up. So that is what has happened. We have gained visibility, we have gained the vigor to initiate new things. तो अब हमें like say for example, if we have just taken leadership in some other, so it was an experimental जो था, so एक कामयाब experiment था, and for which we congratulate all of you. And this has given us a confidence that एक हमें थोड़ा सा leadership के skills है which we had never tested. At least I had not tested. So this is, we had not shown any of these skills outside of our organizations. तो हमको लगता था कि हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कुएं में ही हैं, तो हमारा बाहर तो कोई सुनेगा ही नहीं. तो अब यहाँ पे सुना तो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है, so it has gone up. So that is what I just can see.
Awesome. That is really profound. That's really profound. एक चीज मैं और सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि जी इन दोनों ने जब लीडरशिप के लिए हाँ की थी ना, तो उन्होंने एक कंडीशन रखी थी कि भाई अतुल पुरी, तुम बीच में अपनी चोंच नहीं अड़ाओगे.
That is the biggest.
Only if, so we will lead only if you don't interfere in what we are doing. And I would like to ask both of you, did I succeed in that?
Absolutely, absolutely. आज हम बात यही कर रहे थे कि आज जी अतुल जी 6:30 आ गए, 7:30 आ गए हैं कि पता नहीं दुकान खुलेगी नहीं. इससे पहले उनको पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस था, 7:50 पे आ जाते थे. So that is the kind of जब हमने उनको कहा कि that give us a full freedom, and आप तो ज्यादा ही freedom दे दी, आप तो पूछते भी नहीं थे. We had to call him, भाई ये हो रहा है तो कुछ तो कर, क्रिएट सेशन में क्या करना है, बोलता है जी आप कर लो, यार क्रिएट सेशन नहीं है इस बार तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So he used to always say, यार it is your baby, you do it, हमें क्या करना है. And then we used to request him, यार भैया इस बार का तू ही कर ले, तो we will be बोलता चलो ठीक है, रिक्वेस्ट कर लिया तो कर लूंगा. मतलब that is the kind of flexibility he has extended, and which we never not मतलब which we had a big doubt that he will do it, he will let it go. जो एक रहता है ना जिसका अपना बेबी रहता है तो वो हर किसी में तो see he will try to meddle, and but then say he has given that absolute freedom, and that is the biggest thing. So usi se, so that when I was just talking about the encouragement, so I just forgot to acknowledge that part of the story, and that was very encouraging, and that gave us some full freedom to express ourselves, to express to the team. For our side में जाके वो सिर्फ सुनते थे, मतलब even our in groups at times तो थोड़ा सा हम harsh weak होते जाते थे, but then so he used to be at sidelines, and yeah, so that is what he has done to help entire e-growth grow. And उनकी अपनी भी growth हो गई है, patience level अब उनका बढ़ गया है. So we have just, you must have seen Atul ji before 3 months and now, so he has to acknowledge that.
Thank you for contributing that. Thank you. मिथिलेश जी.
तो जितनी भी चीजें दिमाग में आ रही थी उसमें से ज्यादातर चीजें राजेश जी ने बोल दी है. कई चीजें ऐसी है जब हमने शुरू किया था और हम और राजेश जी ने, तो अभी अतुल जी ने बोला, हमारा सच में ये पहला पॉइंट था कि भाई आप बीच में ना बोले, अदरवाइज जो है ना, जो भी हम दिमाग में आएगा वो हम कर नहीं पाएंगे। और इसमें अतुल जी ने इतना बढ़िया किया जो हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशन से फार फार बेटर है। उन्होंने सच में कभी जो है बीच में इंटरफेयर नहीं किया। एक तो ये पॉइंट रहा। दूसरा बात की मैं बताऊं कि मैक्सिमम जो टीम बिल्डिंग का काम था वो सारा राजेश जी ने किया है, और मैं फेस रहा, लेकिन एक्चुअल मेहनत जो है वो राजेश जी की है। और शुरुआत में राजेश जी के लिए टाइम की प्रॉब्लम थी। वो अपना टेनिस, आप ये देखो, उन्होंने पूरा अपना एक दिन का टेनिस का जो गेम खेलते रहे वो पूरा सेक्रीफाइस किया उन्होंने। वो कभी 8 बजे नहीं आते थे और अब तो 7:30 बजे बैठ के वो जो है सारा करते थे। एक तो ये अतुल जी ने बोला था कि वो तो आते ही नहीं 8 बजे, आप उनको बना रहे हो अपने साथ में, वो तो आएंगे नहीं, इसकी प्रॉब्लम है। लेकिन उन्होंने वो सारा सेक्रीफाइस किया, सब लोगों से बात किया। अगर ये टीम सक्सेसफुल है तो इसमें सबसे बड़ा योगदान राजेश जी का है।
I will humbly like to differ.
बहुत मेहनत किया है सर उन्होंने। अतुल जी का, हमारा रोल ये था कि जब हम और राजेश जी बात कर रहे थे आपस में, टेकिंग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हमने यही बात किया यार, हम बात बहुत करते हैं हर मीटिंग में, कुछ करके भी एक बार दिखाते हैं, उसके बाद तो कुछ बोलने के लायक भी रहेंगे। हमारी इनिशियल बात यही हुई थी। तो अगर हम कुछ सक्सेसफुली कर पाए तो दूसरों के लिए कुछ बन पाएगा। और जिस तरीके की आप बात आज हो रही है, लग रहा है कि एक लेवल तक हम लोग सक्सेसफुल हुए। लेकिन नई टीम के लिए मैं बोलूंगा सर कि हम कितने भी अच्छे रहे हैं, नया आइडिया अगर नहीं आएगा तो चीज नई बेहतर बन ही नहीं पाएगी। हमने अपनी जितनी भी चीजें थी जो हमारी दिमाग में थी वो हमने मैक्सिमम इम्प्लीमेंट किया है। अब यहाँ से इंग्लिश साहब, मिस्टर मार्टिन, ये सब मिलके उसको उस लेवल पे ले जा सकते हैं जो शायद बेहद हाई लेवल हो, जो हम आज देख रहे हैं उससे कई गुना। और जितना बढ़िया लेवल मीटिंग की होगी सब लोग उससे बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे। हो सकता है कि हम एक्सटेंड कर जाएं, लेकिन एक्सटेंड करने पे वही सब चीजें मिलनी है जो अभी हम लोग इनके साथ रहेंगे, राजेश जी और हम पूरी तरह से इनके टीम में रहेंगे। ये जो भी रोल देंगे, ये फायदा ये हो सकता है ना कि कुछ ऐसे रोल जो कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं हो पा रहे थे, हम उन रोल्स को बढ़िया कर लें, और बाकी लीडरशिप ये कर रहे हैं, तो उससे क्या हो जाएगा कि ये अपर लेवल तक जाने की पूरी संभावना है। कई ऐसी चीजें जो अतुल जी के दिमाग में इस बीच में 3 महीने में आया होगा, जो इनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, हमें फुल फ्रीडम देने के चक्कर में वो हमें नहीं बोल रहे थे, अब उनके थ्रू वो भी लागू करेंगे। तो मेरे ख्याल से लीडरशिप टीम चेंज होना सही वक्त है। ये शुरुआत में जितनी चेंज होनी हो जाए, क्योंकि ना 3-6 महीने के बाद ये वैसा हो जाएगा जैसा सत्या सर बोल रहे हैं कि एकदम सक्सेसफुल चीज है वो स्टेब्लिश हो जाए, वही कंटिन्यू हो। सक्सेसफुल 3-4 महीने में शायद एक और सेशन के बाद जो है, एक और टर्म 3 महीने के बाद जो है ना, इंग्लिश साहब इसको पूरा स्टेब्लिश कर लेंगे। मेरी इंग्लिश साहब से 2-2, 3-3 घंटे बात हुई है इसमें क्या सब होना चाहिए। बहुत सारा आइडिया उनके दिमाग में है जो इम्प्लीमेंट करना है। मुझे लगता है सही समय है कि उसको करना चाहिए। अब ये 3 महीना मेरे लिए क्या फर्क रहा, जो राजेश जी ने बोला है कि सच में हमने अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर कोई टीम को लीड नहीं किया था, उसका एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टर ये रहा है कि अब लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है, इस किस्म की चीजों को बेहतर तरीके से हैंडल कर सकते हैं। हर रोज अतुल जी से बात होती थी कि अपने पैसे दिए हुए स्टाफ को लीड करना और उन लोगों के साथ में बैठना जो कि खुद सब एक से एक महारथी हैं, यहाँ पर कोई कम नहीं है एक दूसरे से, सारे महारथी। इनफैक्ट ज्यादातर लोग हम लोगों से ज्यादा बेहतर कंडीशन में, उन्होंने हमसे बेहतर जिंदगी जी है, उनका एक से एक शानदार ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड रहा है। उनको लीड करना हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी, हमारे लिए प्रिविलेज, हम ऑनर्ड फील कर रहे हैं। कितने दिनों तक आपने हमारी बात सुनी, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज थी।
आप भी किसी से कम नहीं है जी।
So for the benefit of SVS San and Kulkarni ji, today is the last day of the current team. So if you can please share what acknowledgement, feedback, and any bricks and bats which you want to share with them.
No, I would say.
Thank you,
the
Mithilesh
people-
ji. हाँ जी.
First of all, my apologies for joining very late. Martin gave a message to me. He asked me to send you the best wishes for a Merry Christmas. And he says that because of Christmas, he is not able to attend today's meeting.
No worries. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry I joined late because I was awake for long hours yesterday and I got up late today.
No worries.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Well, I would acknowledge my praise and appreciations to both Rajesh Pandit, Mithilesh Jha, and others who have worked hard for the past, I don't know, 3 months, 4 months? I do not
3
know.
months.
3 months. They have been very nice. I do not know why you want to change this team within a matter of span of 3 months. You should give them a little long tenure so that they can achieve a lot more, isn't it? Because it came as a sudden surprise. Martin spoke to me and said, this is what they have been talking to me. And then I said, maybe. And then later in the first half of the meeting, when you did not join, they aired out that I'll have to take up this, a new post. Well, Martin will do well. I know that. But Rajesh ji and Mithilesh ji have been doing well. Although I have attended only maybe 3 or 4 meetings only, 3 meetings only. Nevertheless, it was good. The way Mithilesh ji introduces very calmly, nicely, and then Rajesh ji intervenes and then airs his views and comments. It's all very, very nice. Virendra Ingle, I know, we had a separate meeting, in the close-up session in one of those meetings. I like him a lot. The way he also introduces himself and then speaks out to his mind is very good. All along, I would say you people have been doing very well in the past 3 months. And I think probably you may have to change the tenure span from 3 months to at least 6 months. Yeah, you should give them a long rope. Because if they are doing good, well, why not you give them a long rope? Chances will always come to others,
Yeah, from now onwards, so there will be a 6 months tenure.
Now onwards. I like it. हाँ जी. Thank you, SS San. कुलकर्णी जी.
Thank you, sir.
वो वीरेंद्र जी सोच रहे हैं कि जी मैं बच जाऊंगा, मुझे लग नहीं रहा कि वो बचे. हाँ जी, कुलकर्णी जी प्लीज.
म्यूट है सर.
आप म्यूट हो.
मैं इस कॉल के बाद उन सारे लोगों से एक्चुअली 1-to-1 कॉल करने की सोच रहा था कि थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने जो है वो काम की. क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिनों से मिथिलेश जी और राजेश जी से बात कर चुका हूँ कि भाई ये कंटिन्यू करिए आप. So I was actually about to call all of them and say thank you very much. आपने मुझे बचा लिया.
देखते हैं ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है. हाँ जी, कुलकर्णी जी प्लीज.
Yeah, good morning everybody and happy Christmas to everybody. As well, belated happy birthday to Atul ji.
Thank you.
Oh, Atul ji, आपके लिए मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ ने बहुत बढ़िया ड्रॉ किया था, भेज दिया था आपको. वो मैंने ड्रॉ नहीं किया था.
मैं ये सोच रहा था ये कुछ तो मिसमैच है.
That was drawn by my daughter in law.
So thanks a lot to her. I'll have a separate conversation with her on this.
Yeah. Another thing is about Mithilesh ji and
Rajesh ji.
Rajesh ji. The way e-growth I was observing, I'm new to e-growth, maybe 6-8 months I'm with e-growth. During 8 months, I can definitely tell that there were 3 tenures I have seen. One with somebody, then one by himself, Mr. Atul Puri, and third one is Rajesh and Mithilesh ji. I'm supportive to the gentleman who was asking for giving an extension long rope to Mithilesh ji and Rajesh. If it is a policy matter, policies are never rigid, can be redefined, can be redefined.
Yes, yes.
If it is a policy matter, policy can be redefined, renewed. भारत की राज्य घटना अगर बार बार दुरुस्त होती है तो ये ग्रोथ की क्यों नहीं होती? तो I think Mithilesh and Rajesh need a long rope because they deserve. See, देखो मैं भी एक सोशल नेटवर्क चलाता हूँ और मैंने बहुत सारे पत्थर टटोले हैं और उनमें से किसमें चाहे वो गारगोटी क्यों न हो, खोल के गारगोटी तो है, ये तो पता चले। और लीडर, सही लीडर, भले ही राजेश जी बोले, भले ही मिथिलेश जी बोले कि हमने जिसको तनख्वाह दिया है उनको लीड करना और तनख्वाह नहीं दिया है उनको लीड करना अलग बात है, लेकिन लीडर होता है। वो तनख्वाह दिया तो ही लीडिंग करेगा और तनख्वाह नहीं दिया तो लीड नहीं कर सकेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है। Fortunately, you were a good team and probably e-growth needs you more. Forget about whether you need to lead or not. It is not at all your need. It is a need of this thing, e-growth. As you have performed really well, दोनों बहुत ही ढंग से लोगों के साथ थे. They were not at all curt with anybody, trying to bring them, keeping in mind that they are all at par. There was no feeling that the way Atul Puri cut somebody, you were not that harsh. You were not that harsh.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
So till e-growth attains its own place and pace, e-growth needs you because military is on the borders and e-growth is at the middle of the nation. So that is my way of thinking. Of course, if it is an opportunity for Virendra Ingle, he should not be deprived of. So team can be extended, adding Mr. Virendra Ingle, and division of work can be given. So you will get some relief. These two people will get some additional relief and Virendra will be incorporated. That is my proposal and I really appreciate. अगर आप नहीं कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं आपकी इच्छा से और इनकी पॉलिसी इतनी रिजिड है कि वो लॉन्ग रोप नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको अभी बताता हूं कि चलो एक बार अतुल को मौका दे उसको दुरुस्त करने का और आप एक्सटेंशन ले लीजिए. Thank you.
And I think Martin wouldn't mind. Martin wouldn't mind that.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
No hard and fast rule to keep the tenure for 3 months.
Yes, I'm so happy that so many people agree with the point that I put up in the beginning. See, first of all, there is no disrespect to Virendra or the new team that's coming in because I know them and they are also very dynamic people. But I always believe that when something is going very good, we should allow it to go for a while. And my suggestion is that, Virendra and Martin, they can be, or let us say, a shadow team, which is almost like in the background preparing themselves for the next tenure.
Yep.
We're closely associating with, Mithilesh and Rajesh. Like their seconds. Yep. So they can have 3 months to hand the reins over to them. Right? So we are not giving them a long rope to hang themselves. We are giving them an opportunity to work a little longer. I'm sorry I have to say this. Normally, long rope is used when you tell na usko dala long rope do taaki apne aap ko hang kar le. So I'm sorry. उसके लिए हम long rope नहीं दे रहे हैं, हम उनको long tenure दे रहे हैं ताकि वो नई टीम को ट्रेन कर सके. Team is wonderful. They don't need training, I'm sure. But कई बारी क्या होता है ना कि when best practices are already there, उसको हम replicate भी कर सकते हैं. And then gradually we can bring the new ideas also, which will be coming obviously when a new team comes. So I think so many of us, so I'm do not know how Atul is going to, the judge is sitting there with his aankhon pe patti or something.
I would like to add Sukhvinder ji's statement. अतुल भाई, मैं भी एक अच्छा खासा नेटवर्क चलाता हूं और मैंने ऐसा जानबूझ के थोप दिया है एक्सटेंशन कुछ चंद अच्छे लोगों पर, क्योंकि यार तूने अच्छा किया है तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नीड्स यू. That is a pride for the person also. That builds you as a networking chief. That builds the relationship with that person also, and gives strength to his own personality, dimension to his own personality.
So
it is exploring his own skills.
Got it. So here's a request to Mithilesh ji and Rajesh ji. Would you like to continue for another quarter? Because 9 o'clock we must definitely start with the create session.
Say yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Say yes.
Please say yes.
Yeah. We are continuing. We will be continuing to play and supportive role. And
so here's my suggestion.
We are as good as being there. So we will help
supporting and all.
We will be helping the next team. So next team आज से ही हम support करेंगे, so that so they have that comfort कि भाई ये नया नहीं है. So but then they will be the faces for 1 or 2 weeks. उसके बाद से they will take off. So we have set certain kind of protocols. Let us respect those protocols कि 3 months का है. So let us respect those protocols, and already we have a team in place now. Already English ji and Martin are already on board. बड़ी मुश्किल से मान गए ये लोग भी.
राजेश जी, I'm sorry.
मिन्नतें करनी पड़ी इनको and on board लाने के लिए, and we will be there to support them. हाँ मिथिलेश जी.
पूरा का पूरा सपोर्ट, इनफैक्ट
पूरा सपोर्ट. यस.
इतना हम काम अभी कर रहे हैं ना, ये तो इंश्योर है कि हम इतना तो करेंगे ही करेंगे. हम इस बहाने ये इंश्योर कर रहे हैं ना कि आप दोनों की ताकत ऐड हो जाए हमारे साथ. हम आपके नीचे जो है ना इतना ही काम करेंगे, और ये इंश्योर करेंगे कि मीटिंग का लेवल कभी भी इससे नीचे नहीं जाएगा.
कोई भी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी, सो वी विल जस्ट डू दैट. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट पार्ट. वी वांट टू टेक इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. दैट इज हमारा भी वही आइडिया है.
और लीडरशिप निकलनी चाहिए.
That is the reason we had initiated the entire जो for new leadership to grow. हमने 1 month पहले ही ये initiate कर लिया था that we'll have to just do in proper handover and all that. Yeah. And the only thing I will just want they will need volunteers to take it to the next level. Like so willing volunteers. It should not be like I'll do just for the name's sake. So they will need that. So they will need support from you people, that people who are willing to take it and take it to the next level. तभी वो next level पे आ जाएगा. Like if anybody takes a role, so he has to be in that role, and only then, and definitely, so we'll just bring it to the next level with that.
We've gone past 9 o'clock. I suggest that we wind up, say, in 1 minute.
Yes. That's it. So let us. Yeah. So that is the final. So they will. So next week से आपकी नई leadership team आएगी, and we will be there to support.
हम दोनों के अलावा और कौन सब लोग कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहेंगे इसमें से, तो वो वीरेंद्र जी को हम बताएं तो उनके लिए इजी हो जाएगा.
हरिहर शर्मा जी आ गए.
हरिहर शर्मा जी and plus जितने भी बाकी है, so please raise your hand. वीरेंद्र जी, इंग्लिश जी, just please spend some time to build that this week. And define the roles, थोड़ा सा role and all that. ये सुदीपक जी भी है, मनीष जी भी है. So give them roles, and so that we not only continue the current status, we just take it to the next level. Yeah.
So I can contribute as the coordination of the presentation कि कौन next day आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, तो I can do it, that thing.
ठीक है. You take it up. So now let us start now the create session. हरिहर जी, yeah.
हरिहर जी को आपको वो बनाना पड़ेगा ना, co-host.
Screen share देना सर.
हाँ जी.
Thank you.
And a very big thank you to all of you for. See, I'd like to share one thing, which is I'm stepping over the time. One thing which is very, very important is acknowledgement. मात्र एक्नॉलेजमेंट में हम एक बच्चे को एक आदमी बना देते हैं. Alright? This is something what I've learned along the journey. कि जी हम केवल सामने वाले को अगर एक्नॉलेज करेंगे, उसको फुलाएंगे, तो वो बड़े बड़े काम कर जाता है.
बस इतना ध्यान रखना फट ना जाए बस.
तो जो बटरफ्लाई का लाइफ साइकिल है, जब उसका कुकून फटता है तब बटरफ्लाई निकलती है. हम फाड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे नहीं रास्ते में.
चलो हरिहर जी, मैं आई हैव मेड यू co-host and you just carry on and I'll be leaving at 9:30 मेरे को, so I have a commitment, तो you will have to just carry.
सारे टीम को भी जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया, राजेश जी को सपोर्ट किया, उन लोगों को भी थैंक यू कि उन्होंने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया जिसके कारण यहाँ तक पहुंचे. थैंक यू टू.
कभी भी हेल्प लेनी हो, मिथिलेश जी इज ऑलवेज, मतलब मैं तो मिथिलेश जी को ना, मतलब साइलेंटली जितना काम उन्होंने पीछे किया. सॉरी,
अब हरिहर शर्मा जी का टाइम आ गया. थैंक यू.
वेल, थैंक यू टीम इनर सर्कल. I am here to present my business. I'll quickly run through my business model, and from there I'll take you through what are my challenges that I face. So the brand is Handyman Multigrain Pop. The company is Bhavani Shankar Inks, and we are into the business of selling great taste and less shit. So we try to understand what are the problems that are there in the market, in the snack market, Indian snack market, and we found that maida और बेसन से ही बहुत सारे products बनते हैं, which translates into high cholesterol, sugar, hygiene, बहुत सारा तला हुआ है, trans fat, and preservatives are used. And to solve this problem, we came up with our product, Handyman Multigrain Pop. Basically, we are freshly baked, zero oil, zero cholesterol, zero MSG. That is what we are, and we are completely 5 calories per serving. So we came up with a 4-step process where we have multiple grains like the rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, nachni, oats, flaxseed, and till. This we process into granules. The hot air is pumped, and this is a 6-inch product that comes out. This is not a papad, this is not a khakra. Basically, why I'm showing this is because we cannot change the shape of the product. It is 6 inches, and we cannot change this. We have another product which is 3 inches, and this also is in the cake form, which we cannot change the shape. So this the team need to understand. It's 100% baked and multigrain, the goodness of multigrain. And this is the product range which we have introduced during the lockdown, so that it is scalable to all India markets. And that's where we brought in packaging. Before we had a challenge on packaging, and we worked on it, and we have come out with this kind of packaging in the 6-inch product. And this is the 3-inch product which we have brought in the rice pops, which are completely baked. And this is the packaging that we have introduced during lockdown with 7 flavors and total 14 flavors we have introduced. The additional benefit about this product is you can do a topping on this and sell, and create a menu of your own. 194 days, that is 6 months is the shelf life, which we plan to take it to 1 year. And this is something that creative we can do with this product. Now, basically, the team behind it is me with 35 years of experience in FMCG. Along with me, we have got a CA, ICWS, CS, MBA Finance. That's my team. And one Mr. Parag Khedkar there with me, who is from 6 Sigma Black Belt and 24 patents Swiss credit. So we have a team of food technologists, engineering, a chartered accountant, and me. So we are a complete thing. So let's understand the business. What's the SWOT analysis in my business? The strength of my company is the team, and the innovation that we have brought in this snacking product is something unique, and it's a blue ocean. We are the first mover, so we are someone who's come out in this segment in the first, being the first. Okay. The weakness, what I would say, is that the sales is thin and lean, because during the lockdown we had a team which we completely removed, and it was a one-man show. So on the sales part only I am there. Okay. So we have not recruited any number of people initially to grow this vertical. Okay, this is so we have not brought any product for the mass offering, and we have a product which is priced at 150 rupees for just 72 grams. So this is something you need to really look at the pricing point. So it's a premium price, premium quality product. On the opportunity part, being the first mover advantage, we are having the first mover advantage. Untapped markets are there for such a the health segment, we are the only one having such unique offering. It's a hub and spoke model. Means our plan is actually to put such machines everywhere in each and every state. And from there, like a cake manufacturing, how it will manufacture, there only it will be packed and sold in that state. So it's multiple locational, like a cake model business, where it will have a central manufacturing and a distribution there itself. So this is what it is going to have opportunity. So creation of models is very easy to replicate. The threats, what we see in the next 6 months, surely someone would look at this product where people see big margins, and there will be major big players coming into this segment, which I foresee that they would come surely, and the organized segment might enter into this market to tap this business, which is unique. So this is what I see as the threats coming in, but we are there. The challenge I faced today, which I would like to share with the group, is I have positioned my product as premium price, premium quality. So that's the product positioning that I had initially thought with. And I would request the team to help me with how should I go about the market strategy with product positioning to take this forward in the market. So this is the challenge that I faced today. So I'll just end the slide so that the team can now share their views. So I've ended my presentation. The team can begin one by one. I'm okay for all suggestions.
Yeah. So I think if you can please repeat the challenge once again, that will be helpful.
The challenge is that the product is priced at 150 rupees for a 72 grams pack. Okay. So it is already, the product is priced at a premium quality, premium pricing. That is where we have product pricing kiya hai. And go to the market, means which is the target segment of market where we should be tapping for such kind of consumers to buy this, and how we should go about placing the product to grow our business. This is the product pricing strategy and go to the market strategy. That's where I.
So right now, so you are in a dilemma, like, should we continue the premium market or should we position ourselves into other market segments? Is that the challenge?
No, we cannot change the product itself. Correct? Product already ban gaya hai. Okay? Price bhi tay ho gaya hai. Weight bhi uska hi hai. Uske आसपास है. This is a premium product that we have created into baked segment with 0 calorie. Health segment में हम बेच रहे हैं. इसको किस तरीके से हम मार्केट में एंटर करें और किस तरीके से लॉन्च करें, किस कंज्यूमर्स को हम टारगेट करें और किस तरीके से हम इसको मार्केट करें, वो हमारा.
So the challenge is not about the product positioning. It is so I don't feel then it isn't about the product positioning. It is about how to sell it to that particular market which you have already identified. थोड़ा सा challenge को change करना पड़ेगा आपको.
Okay. Yes. The product positioning is also there for 2 reasons. It is one, whether you have to target it only to the retail segment, only to the corporate segment, only to the gifting segment. So जो positioning भी आएगा इसमें, क्योंकि pricing है और product है, उसके साथ positioning भी आएगा, क्योंकि वो कहाँ पे और बिक सकता है, वो positioning
that is different. Positioning is different. तो यहाँ पे है. So what are the channels की कैसे now? See.
Okay, fine. We'll work on one. So if you have to work on one, it is the how will we create the strategy to sell
it to that particular segment which you already created, as you said, that वो create हुआ है, इसकी pricing change नहीं हो सकती है, size change नहीं हो सकती है. That mean that इसका जो position है, so that is then now fixed. Now we'll have to see that how to reach to that particular segment through different ways. So that is the challenge, right? So ये clarity आ गई है कि that what is the challenge. Yeah. I see Satyaji's hand going up.
Yeah, thank you, Rajesh ji, and Harihar ji, great presentation, very crisp also, as your product is actually. And जो ये SWOT analysis है और खासकर आपकी strength में जो आपने blue ocean लिखा, that is very, you can say, music to my ear. Actually, I am working on that as a practitioner. It is a great thing. So my advice is, if you follow blue ocean strategy for your product, you just don't have to worry about threat and weakness. Just you have to concentrate on strength and opportunity. You just don't have to worry about the competition and anything, because of the blue ocean strategy teaches us that. So in your case also, because your challenge is to grow to other markets, And that is what you have to do immediately, actually, immediately. Like you have been trying, I know, and you last time also you had told you are coming to North also. And as I suggested, I'm personally interested in helping you in North. One of my relative I put in touch also. He wants to make a beginning, because here you have to, actually your low-hanging fruits are the, you can say, the complementing retail stalls. Like this relative of mine who is in touch with you is a Gyani franchisee, Gyani ice cream and Gyani halwa and all that. And he has extra space there, and that is why I motivated him. And so you should immediately grab that beginning. But later on, they have a potential, and I'll be funding them to become your franchisee also for the NCR, actually. So that is
Thank
my...
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inputs.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
योगेश जी,
भैया जी, आपका ये जो प्रोडक्ट है जो हेल्थ सेगमेंट के लिए है, तो इफ यू फोकस ऑन द मार्केट ऑफ द डाइटिशियन एंड न्यूट्रिशन इन द मार्केट, नो, जो हेल्थ कॉन्शियस लोगों को कंसल्टिंग करते हैं, जो बड़ी फीस देते हैं, तो मुझे पता नहीं आपने ये मार्केट पे फोकस किया है कि नहीं किया है, but this can give the boost to your business, no? The people who are in the dietitian and consulting nutrition plus health वाले कॉन्शियस है, जिम में जाते हैं, अलग अलग करते हैं ना, जो हाई लेवल हेल्थ वाले जो चीज है उससे आपका टाइप आपने कर दिया तो काफी बड़ा काम हो सकता है. This is my suggestion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
योगेश जी.
Yeah, thank you. So, Hariyar ji, one of the inputs I did refer you to my relative, and there has been a feedback also कि जो kiosk model है वो probably might not work, and so, or it can work in certain areas. So in cities, you need to actually catch hold of a big distributor who can supply to multiple points, like railway, not railway I will say, because being a premium product, but yes, metro में जो है, metros में जो points हैं, they can be sold there, and as a item for all the like Reliance. So वहाँ पे need to get contacts. So I'm definitely looking and working out a contact in Reliance for you. और ये जो मैं आपको बताया था contact, उसका details आपको मेरे को भेजना है. He doesn't want to be in the forefront, but you need to send me all the details.
Right, sir. No problem.
Personally, and he has asked me to give it to him. He doesn't want, and then somebody will contact you. You then need to meet him.
No, thank you, sir.
तो वो एक करना है. तो उसमें you just need to send your product catalog and a price list if you have.
Yeah, I shall do it.
Yeah.
Shripad ji.
Yeah. Good morning again. According to me, during last 7-8 months, whatever progress Hariyar Sharma has shown in the product and placing of the product, reaching to as many people as possible, it is really appreciable. And to establish a product in market, as per our understanding, in case of food products, it takes at least 1,000 days. He has achieved it within 200 days. So actually there is no threat which should bite his mind as such. He is reaching nicely. Basically, the way product is evolving from shape, size, taste, packing, various type of packings. I had many meetings with him. I have seen the earlier product, then the developments. So he is going on right track. A fear of threat need not be considered, as Mr. Satyajit told. He is really working in Blue Ocean. Competition, no dearth of eaters in market, so there is no competition. 800 crore people are there on the planet, and everybody can eat it. So now it is with his own capacity to how many people he can cater. Pricing strategy, I will definitely tell him that let the tag be whatever. Entry level need to be considered like welcome price for some time. So the moment taste is developed, the price can be increased. Their welcome price need to be considered for new markets, and things are pretty well. He can add few more tastes, and as suggested also, he can go through dietitians, and there are people who are really working on niche segments, and he should work on niche segments. Particularly, there is a problem of veg people about B12. There is a problem about certain things of deficiency like vitamins, and he has very good grains. Probably it can come out as a medicine to many people.
Yeah, we have actually created vegan as a product. Vegan, our products are vegan. If people understand this.
Yeah. So that can be one more niche where he should focus. That's all from my side.
Virendra ji.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Harihar ji. So we have been discussing about the product and the distribution and other things. The product, the packaging, and in fact, I have tested it now, so the taste also is excellent. What I see personally is when we are talking about something premium, so automatically there is something which we called as promotion. So likewise, we discussed that, you identify some food bloggers and start talking to them to promote, or at least, talk about your products and service, the benefits which they can get because of your product. That helps to actually reach to a premium class customer base. Because what we learned in the depth and the breadth of distribution, that is good for the FMCG normal products which we can make available on each and every shelf in the retail. But when it comes to a very specific TG, and that too in a premium class, I think they are more, believe in literature or somebody, telling them on the blogs. So I think that is one initiative. Other than whatever you are doing is excellent. I have gone through the entire PPT and other things. And in fact, the ideas and concepts which we discussed in detail. But this is something which I personally feel that along with your social media, that's okay. But identify one good food bloggers, or maybe multiple food blogger influencers, those who are doing influence in the food category. That can probably help us to reach to a right segment, and from there the need can be created.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Sukhdeep ji.
All right. So Harihar ji, good morning to you. And I must acknowledge that the product is very good. We have tested it and tasted it, and we still have some of it. And initially there was a little concern I had about the packaging, but I think he has already addressed it. And Harihar, I think your background in the FMCG can be clearly seen in the way you are going about doing everything. So one idea which came to my mind was, like when there is a set of people who are very, very health conscious, we go and shop at places like Nature's Basket. Okay. So if you are available at Nature's Basket, then there is a lot of visibility over there. That's one thought I had. Second is that each and every one of us on this platform is an influencer. All right. And if we were to recommend it to people, it will have a ripple effect, because we know at least 5 to 10 people each. But Virendraji's idea is fantastic about the food bloggers. My nephew, who's also a member of InGrowth, the eGrowth, he has been, rated or assessed and written about by a particular food blogger who's very famous in Mumbai. So I'll find out, but she actually assesses restaurants and things like that. But I'm sure that if we pitch this to her and she tastes it, then she might write about it. So I will try and get you connected with her. Right? So that's what I wanted to say. Thank you for what you're doing, because we need this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Atulji.
Yeah. So I have already had some conversation with Hariyarji, wherein we kind of distinguished that a premium product has to go to a market in a certain fashion. The stores where the product is available have to be premium. For example, we were talking about Taj Birdies, which is a patisserie chain. Now, Satyaji spoke about Gyanis. Gyanis is a premium ice cream chain. So maybe instead of looking at a franchisee of Gyanis, how about tying directly with Gyanis? Because Gyanis would have a few, maybe 20, 30 stores in Delhi NCR itself. Other could be this one, your natural ice cream, which is there in Bombay, which again is a premium product, right? So these are some of the platforms. Then Sukdeepak ji was talking about Nature's Basket, which I think is a Godrej chain, right? So premium,
yeah,
premium. Then we also have there are some stores in Delhi NCR. I don't know whether they're elsewhere also, called La Marche, LAMARCHE. Okay, which again are those premium kinds. Then there was
Lee Marsh.
Lee Marsh. There is one store in Hiranandani. I am forgetting its name. It's right next to the Ecotel Hotel, which again is a premium chain. Okay, so categorically look at those chains which are premium, and there are many chains now in India which are catering to international clientele. So when we talk about vegan is a more acceptable term or acceptable range in the international. So you would have Japanese, Koreans, Europeans, Americans who go to certain counters. Those counters may not be chains. They may be smaller counters, but are designed for those.
Yeah.
So especially in, say, Delhi, Nimrana area, you've got counters which are there for Japanese, because there's a lot of investment which Japan has done on this side of the country. And there are actual hotels, restaurants, stores which are there for Japanese. People are staying here. Go after those kind of counters.
Right. Thank you.
Okay.
And I think you, in one of your slides, you also showed those recipes, right? Where you can have different toppings.
Yeah, toppings. Yeah.
So how about publishing those toppings? I remember there was a time when not Crack Jack, Monaco used to have those cheese toppings. We are creating
a contest on it. We are creating a contest, recipe contest. We had already discussed with Virendra ji on this. We'll have a campaign on this for recipe contest using the base.
Right. And while bloggers will be more about talking to people, public, it will make a lot of sense if you create a community around it. So, for example, duster owners, they have a community called God, Gang of Dusters. Okay. Harley Davidson, they've got Hog. Okay, you got Enfield Bullet owners. So these are some of those premium kind of products, and this is how they think. Create a community around handyman, pops. So we are pop guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hariyar ji. So everyone has given you wonderful ideas. I'll also just talk about something which is in my mind. It's like one now that the positioning, the brand positioning is there, that we have to just so we have premium segment in mind. Now when it comes to the premium segment, so you'll have to see how people in this premium segment think about. Now, when we just talk about this segment, so wahan pe, so price is not the point. So they will just think about. It is the say brand. So it is the brand, how the brand works. Kellogg's, something about the Kellogg's. So लोगों को पता भी नहीं है तो what the Kellogg's is. So Kellogg's is an international brand. So we'll have to do that kind of a positioning. Like why should people consider this as a premium? क्योंकि उनको इनके लिए तो एक Indian brand, so which is in Nasik. So why should they consider this as a premium brand? So we'll have to do something about it. Like for example, if you can just work out some kind of an international partnership, a certification like certified by Switzerland, and all that blah blah, or certified by jo bhi hai, FSIs and all that. That is the best. So we in this segment, what will help that it is the authentic product hai for this segment. And for that, so we'll have to, so as Virender ji also said, that bloggers and all that, we have to create that kind of an, because premium mein kar rahe hain, so we'll have to support it. We'll have to support it with those kind of documents, with those kind of brandings, so that we make it as a premium, right? And when it is a premium, then you will have to curb your tendency to sell it at the small vending shops, ये वो है, क्योंकि then so you are, that's a contradiction. एक बार हमने प्रोडियम करा और उसके बाद एक so इसकी positioning हम ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं, then we have to stick to that. So that is what I just say. Yeah.
Awesome. I'll just like to add one thing. So sometime in 1980s, there was a brand called Great Shakes.
Okay. I'll be leaving. So
great. So you can make me the host and then you can go, right?
Yes.
So there was this brand called Great Shakes who introduced soya milk for the first time. Okay. Now 1980s, they were far ahead of time. Eventually that brand died. This was a brand which was in Tetra brick format, the 200 ml kind of a thing, what Fruity we get today. Around the same time, Fruity and Epi got launched. Fruity and Epi continued to be brands till date. So the mistake what they did was they introduced that to the normal market. Today, the product positioning that Sofit has, SOFIT, which is again these soya milk, and are very much acceptable and are not available in normal outlets.
Yeah, they're still in the modern stores, more or less.
Exactly. Right, soya milk, tofu, these are those products which are very premium kinds. Premium in the sense.
Premium and still premium and health conscious people.
Health conscious, yeah, absolutely health conscious. Yeah, you also have those almond milk and some of these Greek yogurt and things like those. So just think that these are the products, you will be on those shelves where these products are available.
Agreed. Done. Point taken. Noted. Any other members?
Anybody else
to give an input?
Yeah, Mithilesh ji.
Yes, Mithilesh ji.
जो सबने बोला सिर्फ एक मुझे लग रहा है ना, ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट को बेचने वाले कई कंपनियां या कई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं और उनके जितने भी बायर होते हैं ना वो थोड़ा ज्यादा पे करने के लिए मेंटली तैयार होते हैं. सर आप अगर उन सब ग्रुप्स में आने की कोशिश करें तो एक नया जगह ऑटोमेटिकली आपको आ सकता है. Thank you, sir.
Done. Point noted. Yes, Vijay Shah, I feel again.
I have to take a leave. Can I?
Yeah.
Small point.
Yeah, Vijay Shah.
ये जो जितनी भी सारी होटल्स है, एयरपोर्ट्स है, जो बड़े-बड़े प्रीमियम आउटलेट्स है, जैसे जो प्रीमियम कार्स है, जो ऐसी बड़ी जो प्रीमियम चीजें है, उनके आउटलेट जो रहते हैं शायद, तो वहां पर भी आपकी चीज पहुंच जाए तो भी बड़ा क्लिप मिलेगा शायद. You can sell to airlines also.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir. Point noted.
Yeah, so this just gave me another idea. What if you tie up with Mercedes-Benz, and every time a person buys a Mercedes-Benz and takes the delivery, at that point in time, they get a gift hamper from Handyman?
Yes, sir. I'll work on this gifting segment.
Arya Sharma ji, very good morning. I have not tasted your product, but from what you have explained in the presentation, I think your niche market, again, you can you concentrate on airports, air lounges, and then Nature's Basket, then airlines, then good, nice 5-star hotels. In such places, you can, you can try.
Point noted. Point noted. Yeah, point noted, sir.
And I know my brother himself is a vegan, and there are many people in United States longing for vegan products.
Yeah.
So, are you also exporting your product?
I'm open for it, sir.
Yeah. Why don't you start start exporting your product to United States and other Europe? There are many people who are longing for such vegan products.
I am open for it, and will take the support of the community too. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Overall, I feel everyone has contributed to the points. I've noted each and every point of each and every member who has contributed. Thank each one of you, and especially Shripad sir promised to be there for my create session. He was there. I'm really happy with his inputs. He has been visiting my factory right from the last even lockdown, और उन्होंने बहुत सारा हमको support भी दिया है, काफी knowledge भी उनसे लिया है हमने. And really, I'm trying to improve from what each and everyone has given. I've been always open for acceptance of new things. Even Atul के साथ हम बात करते हैं, तो we often talk on what we can do different and how we can do it differently. So thank you, thank each one of you. I acknowledge each and
one more thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one more thing.
Yeah.
Hariyar ji,
sir.
You can also tie up with health and wellness. You can tie up with health and wellness brands, and give it as a compliment. Again, it's a gifting segment only, but health and wellness brands, they can club it. They can make a combo deal and give it.
We are actually planning to position it at wherever protein powder is being sold, to be more honest. जहाँ पे प्रोटीन पाउडर बिकता है, उस आउटलेट में ये फूड का भी प्रोडक्ट पैक हो सकता है.
Hariyar ji, please send your address in Bombay so that I can get some products from you.
Yeah, we courier it directly, sir. Just you put your address on my WhatsApp and I'll send it to you from here direct.
So you have the WhatsApp number? Can you please?
Yeah. I'll send you. I have your number, sir. I'll send you.
Thank you, sir. All right.
Thank you.
हरियर जी, टोयोटा वाले मेरे क्लाइंट है, क्योंकि बॉम्बे में 4 शोरूम है मेरे क्लाइंट.
Right.
They know for the last 30 years. So if you send me the catalog, I will come to them. Plus Mercedes कार से जो डीलर्स है, कुछ 12 डीलर्स है, वो भी मेरे क्लाइंट.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the.
So I can take them to them.
Thank you for the.
Hariyer ji, very nice. Of course, I'm not good at marketing. That's my weakest point. But still, I was just thinking. I have seen ladies, means especially my family ladies, they are also काफी शौकीन. तो वो फैब इंडिया में खूब जाती हैं. इंडिया का ये है, वहां पर कई फूड प्रोडक्ट्स भी रहते हैं, जैसे आपका है ये, और वहां से वो लाती हैं और 4 गुना ज्यादा दाम दे के लाती हैं. वो जो चीज वो वहां से फैब इंडिया से लाती हैं, और वो घर में बड़े शौक से सब जगह मैं देखता हूँ बिखरा रहता है. मैं उसका प्राइस देखता हूं तो मैं दुखी होता हूं, लेकिन अब उनको वही चाहिए. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि ये जो डिस्कशन हो रहा है मार्केटिंग में कैसे पोजीशनिंग होती है, ये मेरा टॉपिक रहा ही नहीं है, और मैं इस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में टोटली इग्नोरेंट हूँ. लेकिन फिर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था ये मार्केटिंग सेगमेंटेशन जो आप लोग बता रहे थे, सब लोग जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं. तो मैं इन चीजों को बहुत ही अलग ढंग से देख रहा था. मेरे दिल दिमाग में आया कि बस चलो मॉल में जाओ तो फैब इंडिया जहां है वहीं जाओ, वहां से कोई ना कोई उनको प्रतिदिन हर अल्टरनेट डे कुछ ना कुछ आ ही जाता है. मतलब मैं दुखी हो जाता हूँ कभी कभी, लेकिन ये आता है. तो आप चेक कीजिए, इंडियन मेंटालिटी को चेक कीजिए. इंडियन ब्रांड है फैब इंडिया, इंडियन ब्रांड है, और वहां पर भी बहुत ही प्रीमियम सेक्टर के लोग, अच्छे लोग जाते हैं, जो कि इन सभी और लेडीज के मन में ये हेल्थ कॉन्शियसनेस सबसे ज्यादा आता है। एक बार वहां चमक गया,
they are actually the target segment, the ladies. Buy such products for their family, keep their family healthy.
जी, ये मेरा मार्केटिंग सजेशन नहीं है, मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, मैं एकदम कॉमन सेंस से ये बता रहा हूँ, जितना लोगों के सुन के कि शायद ये फिट कट जाए, और ये हर जगह अवेलेबल है, बहुत तेजी से फैल रहा है।
यस मितली जी,
फैब इंडिया का जो परचेज में सीनियर लेवल पे ज्वाइन किया है अभिनय रंजन सहाय, वो मेरे पार्टनर का अपना छोटा भाई है। तो आई विल कनेक्ट यू विथ अभिनय रंजन सहाय, नाम लिख लें सर। वो
थैंक यू।
तो आपका प्रोडक्ट वहाँ वो जो है ना, अगर आप चाहें तो वो करा सकते, और
यस सर,
तो सब जगह है।
यस सर, ऑल इंडिया
आप दिलवा सकते हैं।
राइट सर, राइट, थैंक यू।
एक चीज और है कि you could probably have some SKUs which are for institutional sales.
Yes sir, already designed only for them.
So Fab stores, some of them have in-house restaurants where you can go and have vegan food and some very specialized products. So if there are some, like you have those some specialized things created by the Taj caterers, those hazelnut and those kind of things. Similarly, you could design some products for Fab, which could be trademarked by Fab India. And the base goes is this one, Handy Pops. That could be a great piece. So then that is exclusive to Fab India and it is exclusive to you.
Right.
आईबीएस में, आईबीएस ग्रुप के हेड ऑफिस में मेरा अपना भाई है। आईबीएस में आपको बिकने का लगता है चांस है,
थैंक यू,
तो वहाँ मैं कनेक्ट करा सकता हूँ। तो आईबीएस के होटल्स आपके बॉम्बे में भी 2-3 तो हैं।
राइट सर, they are everywhere, even in
नासिक में भी हैं। तो वो वहाँ का जो नासिक का जो आप पता कर लें कौन है जिससे कि थ्रू लग सकता है, तो उससे इधर मैं भाई से बुलवा दूंगा और मैं आता हूँ आपसे नासिक में मिलने के लिए सर।
ग्रेट, चलो ग्रेट,
ठीक है जी।
Thank you.
All right, so let us call it a day, and all of you, Merry Christmas to you.
Just joined us, and Sudha Shetty से एक बार उनकी आवाज तो सुन ले, लाइन पे तो है।
Right.
Sudha जी, okay, she's on mute also. Okay, no issue.
Thank you very much, Atul ji.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful session.
Thank
you all of you. And Mitlesh ji, thank you very much. And
thank you,
Rajesh ji has left.
Thank you.
Say my special congratulations.
Merry Christmas to all the team members.
Thank you.
श्रीपद सर हैं कि नहीं?
श्रीपद is new.
तो रहेंगे।
Yes, सर आए। फरमाइए सर।
नासिक आ रहा हूँ सर आपसे, और हरियर सर से मिलेंगे और बैठ के कुछ जो है ना आप लोगों को तंग करेंगे।
आइए वेलकम।
ये नासिक का प्रोग्राम कैसे बन गया आपका? बाबा का दर्शन करने जा रहे हैं क्या?
एक्चुअल में वही है सर की जो है ना,
आइए
के लिए जाना है तो
शिरडी जा रहे हैं क्या?
शिरडी नहीं, मैं जो वो अपना त्र्यंबकेश्वर
ओके,
तो
कम डाउन टू नासिक,
तो वहाँ जाएंगे, शिरडी भी जाएंगे।
राइट सर, सो यू कम डाउन टू नासिक।
कब आ रहे सर?
अभी प्लान जनवरी में, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जनवरी में कभी आ सकते
हैं। सर कम डाउन टू नासिक, यू कैन टेक माय एक्सयूवी एंड ड्राइव डाउन वेयरएवर यू वांट।
चलिए, थैंक यू, सी यू, बाय।
Thank you all, and all of you a great year ahead.
Definitely, thank you.
Merry Christmas to each one of you. Thank you.
By the way, आप लोग क्रिसमस मनाते रहिए, लेकिन एक बात मैं बताता हूँ, आज भगवत गीता की जयंती है।
हाँ, ये भी है। आज कहा गया था, एकादशी है सर।
हाँ, तो आप जरा अपने मिट्टी से भी नाता जोड़ने की कोशिश कीजिए आज।
राइट सर,
थैंक यू।
हाँ श्रीपद जी, वेरी ट्रू। बाय। थैंक यू, बाय।
थैंक यू
अतुल जी, इतना शानदार वो देने के लिए टेन्योर। थैंक यू
जी, बाय।
बात करते हैं अभी।